Do you know that one project will make you enough money? And that's what happened with PolyMarket. In the first quarter, they have made 12 billion in the first quarter. If you talk about 2025, they have raised 9 billion and 10 billion. So there is a lot of money in this particular market in this type of project where users are doing prediction based on the future event, based on the tariff, based on the recent war going on between USA and Iran, China, tariff war. So users are doing all types of prediction, and that's why this market is getting huge hype, huge funding, and that's what is making so much popular. And they have made a lot of money in the first quarter of this year. And that's what exactly we have developed. So idea could be anything. Any project can give you a lot of money. You have no idea. So let me show you that what we have developed. We have tried to build the exact business model on decentralized ecosystem where user can predict the future event, and if they win, they're going to double their money. So you will find that currently I have this particular prediction. Will Iran win this war? And this war is going to be between US and Iran, and they have to predict either in yes or no. If their prediction is right, so right now you will find that one trader have already done the prediction and invested 0.05 ETH in this prediction. So if I want to make the prediction, I can do that. So I will also go with the favor because Iran is in quite stronger position as compared to USA because they are capturing the entire trade route. So what I will do, I'll go with yes. That's my prediction. And here I have the option to pick the money I want to bid. So I can pick the range which I want, and you will find that how much money you're going to get when your prediction will be right. So what I will do, I'll simply come back here and I want to invest more. I'll go with 45 ETH. So you can see how much potential output you will get if you win. And obviously you have to pay the taxes once you will win, and once the money will come back to your wallet, you have to pay 1% taxes because that's what we are charging in this particular marketplace, because we have to also make the money if we are a provider for this kind of platform. So all I have to do is to simply click on the buy. So I'll click on this buy yes, and it's going to make a call to my wallet, and the fund would be transferred to this particular prediction game. I'll click on this confirm, and the transaction is completed and I've made my prediction. I've done my investment. So if I come back to my portfolio, you can able to track down all the things that how users are doing the prediction. So my prediction is this, and that's the share I have. If I come back here, I can able to do all the predictions. Right now this is the only prediction I have. If I want to create more prediction, because only admin can create this kind of campaign, this kind of marketing campaign where user will do the prediction. So what I will do, I'll simply come back here in the admin panel because I'm also connected with the admin account, so I have the control. So if I come back here, this is the currently the market, the campaign is going on. So as an admin, I have the control to pause the campaign, cancel the campaign, or to create a new campaign. So if I want come back here, I can come back here to the create campaign, and I can create a brand new campaign. So I will say that, will China help Iran in this war? That's the one prediction I can give. I can simply give the description, you can give it, and from here you have to select that how long you want to run, because it cannot be infinite. It should be fixed timing. Ceasefire, and they were doing the prediction in PolyMarket that whether the ceasefire is going to be succeed or fail. So that kind of prediction you can make if you know the time period. So I'll select this one, and here you can have the option to upload the image. So I'll simply click here, and I have this one. Click on this open, and it's going to upload the image because we can display the image, and I can create the campaign. So only admin can create this particular campaign, this particular caption, questions. So if I come back to the market, you will find that we have created the campaign, and here we have this, will China help Iran in this war? Now user will come, by default it will start with 50-50, and user can see both are in the same stage. Now we can start doing the prediction. So I'll say yes, China is helping like Iran in this war. So I'll just want to bid a little higher amount. I'll go 58, and you can see the expected output I will get and the tax I'm paying for using this platform. Let's click on this buy yes, and I will come back here. I can click on this confirm, and the money will go from my wallet, and you can see all the details. In the same way, I can simply buy the no, and I can invest a little bit fund. I can click on this buy no, and I can click on this confirm. So based on the user vote, based on the final outcome, the validators, those who are going to validate the data on the chain and personally, they're going to confirm the result, and all the users who have done the bidding, they will get their fund. If they win, if they lose, the fund is gone to all the users who have won. So right now you will find that I'm connected with the admin account. If I come back here right now in the different account to the validator, so I'll come back here, go back to my account number, let's say 2, and I'm connected with the account number 2, and Validator cannot have the access of the admin panel. So I come back to the validator and you will find that right now I have the access of the validation. So I have the access of two campaign, the market. So this particular validator has a role to validate the data on the chain and is going to validate it in the contract as well. So if I come back here, I can see the bidding. That's all is happening. You can see the down ratio, you can see the up ratio, the investment coming in into this particular bidding. And if I want, I can show the investment as well. So I can simply select and I can do that. So what I will do, I'll simply come back here and let's go with no. And there I want to spend, let's say 4. And you can see the expected output I will get. I'll simply go with 4 and I can click on this. Just wait, I'm making a call, I'm doing my prediction and let's click on this confirm. And the prediction is done. So it's a really powerful project. I would encourage you to have a look, try to understand that what are the feature and functionality we have included, because this is the exact project made a lot of money and it's really very popular right now. This situation, go back to the PolyMarket and you will see it has the same feature we are doing on the decentralized ecosystem, where user will do the bid on the future event and if they win they will have amazing money. So that's what we have here. Go back to the market, you can see all the prediction which is listed here and you can do the bidding. You can come back to your portfolio, there you can monitor that how much downside you have, how many plus size you have, how many investment you have done. That's all you can monitor. If you come back here in the market, that's all you can do. So this one is a really powerful project. If you haven't watched this complete project, make sure to watch that. If I come back here in the blockchain coder, make sure to watch the complete video. This is the complete video. Make sure to watch it, where I have explained every single thing, that how you can do the setup in your system, how you can run the project, how you can deploy, how you can do all the testing in your system. So this one is a powerful project. Make sure to go through that. This one is a really powerful platform, and this kind of project you have to include. It's not always necessary that you have to build a big project. You can take this particular project and target your country. If you're from Canada, build it for Canada, build it for Canada environment, for politics, for government policy, for any event. You can build for local market. You can build that one. In that way, you will have the strong user base, which could be dedicatedly focused, and it could be a very good community, a kind of community where you can simply build a proper system. Based on that, you can provide a better facilities as well. So it's a really powerful project. It's a really powerful project. So make sure to check this one if you haven't watched the complete video. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.